Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the garage. This is my 2023 Tesla Model Y long range. I've had this about 3.5, 4 months now. When I first got this car, it had the 19-inch wheels. The base 19-inch wheels that come on these cars have a silver rim with a hubcap. Tesla calls it an aero cap. It's like an aerodynamic hubcap, basically. I don't love the looks of those. The one benefit to those wheels and the cap is that that cap protects the rim in case of like curb damage. You hit it up against a curb. So it does protect it. If you upgrade to the 20-inch wheels, which I did, I found a set of these and I took my 19s off. These are the 20-inch induction wheels. Or if you even look at the 21-inch wheels, there's a 21-inch performance wheel that you can get. If someone's taken those off, you could put those on your car. But these rims, these wheels use a low-profile tire, and if you rub up against a curb, you know, you hit a pothole, things like that, you can curb up these wheels pretty easily, and it's pretty unsightly when you do because the metal underneath this rim is like an aluminum. It's a silver color. You scratch this up, it really stands out. Repairing it, not that easy. If you take them to a powder, I've taken one to a powder coat shop in the past on my other car that had these wheels, and I paid about $200 just to refinish one wheel. And so it can get expensive if you're constantly trying to refinish and redo your wheels, and it can look quite unsightly if you have a lot of curb rash on these. So today, guys, I want to show you this cool product from EVBase. They've partnered with the channel for this video. I want to show you this cool rim protector that they have for these wheels. They're a black wheel protector that goes over the wheel, and you can't even tell it's on there, but it's going to protect it against curb rash. So here's the rim protector. It's a satin black, so it matches the color of the wheel, and it's a thin plastic material that just snaps onto the rim. It blends in. You really can't tell it's on there, but it's going to provide some good protection. Now, they sell these in a set of 4. You can get the satin black, or you can get carbon fiber. If you wanted to kind of change the look of your car up a little bit, if you have some carbon fiber accessories, like, you know, you can get these side camera covers that are carbon fiber, or mirror covers, things like that. If you have some carbon fiber on the outside, this might be a cool look in carbon fiber. You can get that, you snap them right on. It comes in a set of 4, so all 4 wheels. It comes with a roll of, it's a padded tape. Now, when I first got these, I thought maybe that it's held on by double-sided tape, but it's not. This is just a one-sided sticky tape, and then these strips just go all around the edge and then around these each of these inserts right here. I like that this style is all one piece. I've seen some other styles where they're like individual pieces all the way around that you're snapping on. That seems like a little harder. It seems like each of those pieces could fall off. This is all one piece. It's easy to install. I'll show you exactly what we need to do to get started. So on this wheel here, you can see it has this foam tape on the backside. I've already got this one completed. It comes like this. We turn this over, it's just plain black on the back. It is kind of a hard plastic. The purpose of this is to prevent any like scratching or any rattling, so it doesn't rattle around. It clips onto the back. You can kind of see this clip right here. Each of these pieces that go between the spokes is a clip, and it clamps on. So it stays on very securely. There is a piece that goes around. You know exactly where this one goes. This goes right around the valve stem. That's where that one goes. So really the only step you have to do, the hardest part of this, which is very easy to do, is you just need to apply this foam tape to the back side of this. And this foam tape comes, you can see it's black. You get 2 very generous sized rolls of this stuff. It's a black tape. It's a foam padded on this side, and on this side it's just the adhesive. So what I did first off, you just want to make sure you go all the way around the perimeter, all the way around it with one continual piece, and then just a couple pieces on each of these. You just want to have a little bit of padding right there. I've seen in some of their other applications that it comes with an actual pad that just sticks on right there. This one came with the strips, so you can just cut it. This stuff actually tears very easily. You can just, you know, tear a piece, throw it on there. If it's too long, just tear it off. So it tears very easily. This is very simple. Take you 2-3 minutes per wheel cover. So we got this one on. We got this one all done. We'll get all the rest finished, and then we'll start putting it on the car and see how it fits. All right, we got our adhesive, our foam tape on the back of all these. We're just going to see how easy it is to install these. We're just going to line up our valve stem right here. I like that it's a perfect match for the factory cover. We're just going to line it up here. All right, we're just snapping it in. All right, I want to go all around the entire rim and make sure that it's snapped in. A couple of them I had to kind of pound it a little bit harder. That foam tape does provide a little, you know, makes it a tight clearance, but once that's snapped on there, that is on there really tight. That actually looks really good. You can't really even tell that's on there, which I really like. I wanted something that was discreet, and this is going to help really keep those, really help keep these clean when it comes to curb rash. So let me get the other ones installed. All right, here's the rear tire. All right, that one's snapped on. Once you get it down, you just kind of get it started. Just get it started on the edge, and then just pound down each section right between each spoke. It goes on really easily. And that thing's not coming off very easily. So if it, I think even if you hit a curb with that, it's still going to stay on. Provide some good protection. All right, guys, I got these installed. Super easy to install. I'm really impressed with this product. This is a great way to protect your rims, to keep the curb rash on, and especially nice if you already have curb rash on your wheel and you've got the, you know, that nasty curb mark and you can see the silver sticking out. Put these on there, completely hides it. You don't have to worry about getting them refinished. Expensive wheel repairs, this really takes care of that. Also, the fit and finish of this is really nice. It's a very tight fit. It's not going to fly off. You're not going to lose this while you're driving down the freeway. So this is a great design. Big shout out to EVBase. Guys, see the link down below. Big shout out to them. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.